before I start average speed, can you tell me what is speed? You already told, I remember. So can you tell me what is speed?
Yes, is the amount of distance you travel in certain time.
Again, you use the same word, certain time. No. Distance travel in
Yes,
unit time.
in unit time. sorry.
So, or we can say the total distance divided by total time. See, speed is distance by time. Average speed is total distance by total time. So make a note. Average speed is total distance divided by total time.
Yes.
Now, average speed is equals to total distance by, I'll take some real life application. And before you answer the question, let me tell you, whenever I ask this question, minimum 90% people get wrong answer. And question is very easy. I don't know why people get wrong answer. Maybe this is the metro station A and this is the metro station B. When train was going from metro station A to metro station B, the speed of train was 60 miles per hour. And when train is coming back from B to A, the speed of train was 40 miles per hour. So while going, speed was 60, while coming back, speed is 40. I'm asking what is the average speed? Average speed of whole journey. Average speed of whole. But before you tell the answer, I'll tell one thing. Average always lies between least and greatest. So whatever answer you are going to give, that must be more than 40 and that must be less than 60. If your answer is beyond this range, by default, that is wrong answer. Now, the question is, another point. Minimum 90% people get wrong answer, so be careful. What is average speed? Tell me the answer.
Okay.
I'm creating type pressure.
Yes. I think it's 50, but I know it may be wrong. you were expecting that.
Yes, 50 is the wrong answer. It was expected 50 and that is wrong answer. Now, I'm giving another 30 seconds to you to try and get the right answer.
Okay.
No worry if you are not getting answer.
I'm not getting, but I think it's easy, but I'm not getting.
Okay. I'm going to approach this problem in two ways. Way number one, I'm going to hack it. I'm going to crack it. See, this is the station A, this is the station B. I do not know what is the distance from station A to B. But it is given that while the train was going, speed was 60 miles per hour, coming back 40 miles per hour. If I take the distance which is divisible by 60 and also 40, then easily we can calculate the time, right? So how many miles you want the distance from A to B?
140.
120, not 40. Because 120 is divisible by 60, 120 is divisible by 40. So the distance can be assumed 120 miles.
Ah, okay. Yes.
Okay. So the formula is average speed is equal to total distance. What is the total distance? 120 up, 120 down. So total
240.
240 divided by total time. While I was going from A to B, while train was going A to B, what is the time taken? How many hours?
From A to B, 2 hours.
Correct. Coming back
is 3 hours.
So 240 by 5, and correct answer is 48 miles per hour. Is that clear?
Yes.
Did you copy it?
Yes.
One may say, sir, you have taken 240, 120, that is the reason you are getting 48. If you take some other number, you might get something else. No. I'm going to show you whatever distance you take, it doesn't matter, you'll be getting the same speed. Now I'm not going to take any numbers. I'm going to take some algebraic value. While I'm going, speed is V1. While I'm coming back, speed is V2. So V1, V2. What is the distance from A to B? I don't know. Let us say D. Happy? Now I did not take any number. I'm going to use the formula. Average speed. What is the average speed? Total distance. D up, D down. So total distance is 2D. While going, what is the total time taken? While going from A to B? While train is going from A to B, what is the time? Time is equal to distance by speed, right? So distance is V and speed is V1. Coming back, D by V2. Okay. If I take D common from numerator and denominator, so what will be the left? And we can cancel out, right? D, we can cancel. So this is 2 divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. Simplify this one, you'll be getting 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. And put in our case 2 into 60 into 40 divided by 60 plus 40. That is 4,800 divided by 100. This is 48 miles per hour. Is that clear to Sadrik?
Yes. Yeah. This is supposing that the distance is the same that you...
Yeah.
Okay.
This formula will work only if distance is constant.
Okay.
And the distance constant could be different ways. Say here is going and coming back. There is other way of distance constant. He may go from A to B and B to C. This is A, B, C. Maybe the distance from here to here D, distance from here to here D. And here speed is V1, here speed is V2. Same formula can be used.
Understand.
So click the answer for this question. Just now we solved, right? This is the formula. As I said, when distance is constant, here is mentioned. If distance is, then you can use this formula, 2u1 u into v by u plus, right? That we already discussed. Now I'm going to take the scenario when time is constant. When time is constant. I'll take the real life example, you'll understand. Let's say this is the station A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C. My speed from A to B was V1. Speed B to C was V2. I took the time T here. I took the time T here. Some other real life practical example, we can say maybe metro station A, metro station B, metro station C. The speed here, the metro station was 40 miles per hour. Here it was 60 miles per hour. Here it took maybe 23 minutes. Here also it took 23 minutes. Notice one thing, time is constant. So what is the average speed of entire journey? I will take that is later. First, let's try to understand the fundamental. So A to B, B to C, right? So what is the average speed? Average speed is total distance traveled. What is the total distance? It has to go A to B plus B to C divided by total time taken. What is the total time taken? 2t, right?
Yes.
And what is the distance from A to B? Distance is equals to time into speed, right? So speed is V1, time is T. And what is B to C? Speed into time, V2 into T divided by 2T. What is average speed?
60.
Take T common from numerator and denominator, cancel it. So V1 plus V2 divided by 2. That's the formula. Can you give the answer for this question now? This one. This one. What is the answer?